So, just made it over to Springtown, Texas, and we're at Muncie Manor, Jeff Martin and Amanda's house, and everything was good. I think I might have got, a little muddy pulling in, but yeah. So, just gonna call it a night and catch you guys in the morning. What up, everybody? Good morning to me. I mean, same video for you guys. But we're over here at Rain Cross Ranch, home of Muncie Speed. Crashed last night over here, old Red's in the garage. But right now I'm gonna be heading over to Arc Light. Gotta film a podcast or record a podcast with Aaron, and maybe he'll let us do a tour and make some fun videos while we're there. But right now I went in the mud, didn't realize how soft it was. Gotta unload the trailer, so we're gonna do that and catch you guys on the road. I just made a big mess. When I get back, I'll ask him if I could borrow the power washer real quick, but bring you guys over. I'm gonna unhook the trailer and then hit the road. Man, are my tires slicked over. Look at those babies. Hit the road. Alright, just got over here to Arc Light. Gonna find the guys, but it's nice when you see a bunch of Fords all over the place. So we're gonna walk inside. After I say what's up, I'll get the cameras on. Well, just got back to Rain Cross Ranch, aka Jeff's house, and he just pulled out old Red. Some of you might not remember this truck, but it used to be my unibody. I got it a long time back, and I enjoyed it. I did the interior on it, did some other stuff, and then I raffled it off because I was trying to raise some money when COVID started for an organization back in Miami that feeds kids. So Jeff bought one ticket after the win. Pretty crazy. Anyway, we're gonna go for a cruise. Head over to one of his boys' houses, Chad, and get to my boy too. So we'll see you guys when we hit the road. We were heading out of the ranch and Jeff had a great idea. Woo! What was the idea?
That's golden hour, baby. You gotta take advantage of that.
Got some nice pictures. You can hear the trucks rumbling. Man, does this make me miss this truck. It's looking really good. Back on the road, take some back roads, have some fun, do a little bit of cruising. Jeff's over here doing some heavy lifting.
On my account.
The heavy lifting. I saw Chad has a pretty cool pedal car, and he might part with it. So Jeff's gonna bring her down.
Just gonna scratch my grill.
You stand up here?
Yeah.
You gotta crawl.
You're like, yeah, you wanna die?
How do you think I hurt my arm?
All kinds of good stuff.
What else is up there? I got a pocket with a little bit of cash.
Nothing you'd care about. What's this for, rocking horse?
That is the back seat out of the Bronco.
Ah.
I believe the pedals are in there. All I've done is moved it for the last year. A good home.
All right, well, Chad had a pretty cool pedal cart, and I've got a little girl, and he's got a big girl and boy. So now I got a pedal cart. $100 later, it's pretty cool. Jeff, what do you think?
Approved.
Approved. All right. All right, so I apparently walked in on a grudge match.
Going down.
So Chad and Jeff, they've got a 6-lane Hot Wheels over here, and they are stacked and ready. So right there's winner's circle.
Now, I've been getting videos from this guy over the past couple of weeks showing me his hottest cars. I'm bringing mine to the game. Let's see what he can do against Brit Speed. This is my second fastest car. You want to see my fastest car? You gotta beat this one first.
I'm just gonna line up all of my good cars.
By the way, these guys are not kidding. They're taking this racing serious. All right. Gotta get her locked and loaded, Jeff.
Make sure we got our. Are we turned on down here?
Kurt, who do you think's got it?
All right. Give me to start it, or are you gonna start it, Kurt?
I'm going to.
All right.
No cheating.
Fast. Ready?
We're looking for lane one. Lane one.
C10 truck. What else do you think's gonna win in this house? An orange C10. Of course, that's gonna beat whatever this hot dog looking
2 out of
car
3.
is.
How'd the C10 win against? Oh, we gotta go again.
Maybe I did a little work on it.
2 out of 3. What?
Maybe he did a little work. He's hot. He filled it with lead.
All right. So we're in lane 6.
What's that weird for?
It's a
Alright, let's
it's
go.
angry bird.
Lane 6.
We're in lane 6. I'm in lane 1.
All right.
I'm
It'll be
in lane
lane 1.
Is it ready? Is it good? Is it on?
If 1 doesn't win, 5 will.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Ready.
Winner! Lane 5! Told you. You gotta bring your A game when you come in this house. We don't mess around when we start busting out Hot Wheels.
All right, it's time.
Uh-oh,
Let's see.
dum.
Let's see.
It's fine.
Now it's time.
I think we need to get some Hot
I don't
Wheels
like that
and
lane
come back
either.
to
I think I'm
Texas.
taking lane 3. Taking lane 3.
Here's your other car back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to keep that one, do we? Let's see.
Put this one on.
Why don't you put Luigi right here beside him?
Okay. Because Luigi and
So Chad, when did you get this toy for your kids?
This isn't theirs.
Oh
this
no,
is
their
mine.
toys are in there. They don't
Yeah.
get to touch this. All right. You know what? I don't like. the
You
way
bought this 100% for yourself?
I don't like the way you guys
No,
are
it's
running
for
this
them.
track.
That's what I was gonna
But I
say.
just use it
So
for
until how
fun.
long? Like how long did they own it until it was commandeered?
Well, we've
Looking
had
for
it for
number
a few
3.
years and they never played with it, so I started playing with it.
Number 3.
Since I'm one-armed, it gives me something to do instead of sitting around. So
Itchy winter finger here. Here we go. Ready? Go.
man, that was the Cobra. Cobra got you that time.
Let's fly a Mustang.
Yeah, a little fox
Well,
body.
we're gonna keep racing. We'll see you guys in a second.
Here we go.
All right, now I saw a little thingamajiggy. So this right here, this checks the trap speed. So Jeff, let her rip.
Here we go.
C10 by what is that? 8,000?
Yep.
Mustang beat him on the finish line.
Yeah,
But the C10 had the faster trap time?
yeah.
C10 was in lane 1.
The C10 wasn't.
No, Mustang.
Oh,
was
Mustang had
Oh,
the faster time.
yeah, Mustang had a faster time.
Okay.
397.
I'm trying to give it to the Chevy when it was a Ford win. Hey, we'll go again.
See if it was a fluke.
Ready, set, all right.
Mustang's
Oh, well, it's still faster. A little bit slower speed. Jeff might have been slow off the line, you know.
No.
It's the flick of the wrist. It's the flick of the wrist.
Jeff missed his gear.
Yeah, Jeff, you missed shift. What's going on, buddy?
Oh, you gonna switch up the lanes now?
Yeah, we'll switch
See if
it
that
up.
has anything to do with it?
What happens if you put them backwards?
I don't put it backward. I bet that Mustang's still on.
Josh. All right, here's the backwards grudge match.
All right, ready, set, go.
Oh!
Ooh, that was close. Mustang won.
Mustang. His reverse is geared just a little bit better than that C10.
This was pretty funny, but
Now
we're gonna
what we
keep
got?
playing. All right, so we're leaving Chad's. We're gonna be heading over to Eric, who's Pro Touring Texas' house. So some cool stuff. All right, so that's it. A stint here in Texas is over. Gonna be heading to Atlanta. So gonna go load the trailer up, or just connect it. Ain't nothing going on the trailer, and then hit the road. Bye, old red. We'll see you next time we come to Texas. Jeff, you're gonna keep good care of her, right?
You know what, buddy?
All right, so we'll catch you guys when we hit the road. Well, forgot to film when I was walking from the car, but it is 3:30 in the morning, and I got to Atlanta, here in my hotel. Gonna go to sleep, catch you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the video. Another beautiful day. Starting out the day here in Atlanta. Gonna be heading over to Auto Metal Direct and doing a factory tour. So, I'll take you guys along, and that's that. Truck and trailer. We're safe and sound overnight. See you guys at AMD.